Hey everybody, John at San Marino Music Center. Here to show you guys how to play the Lazy Song by Bruno Mars. So if you're on our newsletter, you should have gotten a free PDF. And this is a video to show you how to play the song. So it's in two parts. There is a verse/chorus. The chords for that part are the C chord, which is just your third finger on the third fret of that first string, followed by the G chord. So that's going to be the first finger on the second string of the third string, the third finger on the third fret of the second string, and the second finger on the second fret of the first string. And then that's going to be followed by the F chord. So that's going to be fourth string, second fret, second finger, and second string, first fret, first finger. Now the song itself, you play the chords on beats 2 and 4, and it's going to be 1 bar of C, 1 bar of G, and then 2 bars of the F chord. So real slowly, again playing on beats 2 and 4. What you can do is on beats 1 and 3, you can actually do a muted strum to kind of keep track of the beat. So if you play that first section, it's going to sound something like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. So from here, that takes us into the pre-chorus. Okay, so the pre-chorus, the first chord is a D minor, so all you have to do is add that third finger to the third string second fret while you were fingering the F chord. There's your D minor. Next chord is going to be an E minor, and so you're basically sliding this chord shape down 2 frets, but you're going to need to refinger it. So it's going to be your third finger, followed by the pinky, followed by the second, followed by the first. There's your E minor. Now here come the tough chords. Next one is an F chord with a bar. So you're barring, what fret is that? The 5th fret across the first 3 strings, and then you're playing the first string on the 3rd fret. That's the F chord, and then up to the G. So it's going to create this melodic line. Right? So you've got D minor, E, F, G. And if you can't do those that F and G chord, these last 2 chords that are kind of tough, you can always substitute the F and the G that you use in the verse. So you could play D minor, E minor, F, and then G. Right? So 2 ways to kind of do it. But let's do it the way it's written. Okay? So again, continuing to play on beats 2 and 4, resting on beats 1 and 3, starting with that D minor, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 4, 1. And then back to the chorus. Pre-chorus D, E, F, G, and then back. Let's try that pre-chorus chorus one more time. D minor, E, F, G, and then back. Alright, happy ukulele playing.